There was this one guy. He was really buff. He was really buff. Well, if that's how the Lord is gonna bring my future husband, I guess I'll take it.
You're the fire, the refiner. I wanna be consumed. I wanna be tried by fire, purified. You take whatever you desire. Yeah. Lord, here's my life. I wanna be tried by fire, yeah. Purified. Lord, take whatever you desire. Yeah. Lord, here's my life. If your glory was to come in, let it fall. We want it all. Your fire is consuming. Fill this place and set it ablaze. I'll be a living sacrifice.
Here is the official good morning to you all. It is Sunday. We're 9 a.m. and we are heading to Turtle Cave. It's kind of been called both, I've heard. It's about a 40-minute drive from here. I'm hoping I can find the location. I have visited before, and I'm just hoping I can find the parking and the trail. I said
Kind of a secret spot.
yeah, it's kind of secret-ish. If we can't find it, which I'm hoping we can, I still think there'll be incredible views.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna visit more of the North Shore up in Princeville, and we haven't been there yet.
Explore some of that area and make more art.
Yes. I've heard that there's some beautiful beaches up there too, so maybe we'll go there, see some shops. We really haven't looked inside any local shops. We keep saying we want to, and then we creating art or
We've
meeting.
just been too busy exploring.
Yes, and exploring. We've been meeting up with friends and hiking, all that. So, all right, we don't want to waste too much time, but I just want to give a quick update. So, here we go. Well, we drove all the way up to Princeville, and we did find the parking for Turtle Cove, but unfortunately it was all closed off due to the very high swells that they get here in the winter season up on the North Shore. So Katie actually ended up Googling some hiking trails, and we decided to go to Hupai Falls, and I hope I pronounced that right. Ooh. You okay?
Oh, there's blood.
Unfortunately,
Already first aid.
Katie, really gashed herself there on her hike.
Can we really call it the hike?
And I don't know, we
entered the trailhead.
we took a foot in, and there was this metal stake about 8 inches tall. It's just bent and crooked, and there was still even a chunk of her skin on it.
Yeah.
It was a little
I never saw it.
no, it kind of blends in with the dirt. So anyone going on this trail, you better be careful. I let the people up there know about it.
Yeah.
They gave us some band-aids because our first aid kit is back at
We left it at the Airbnb.
yeah, we
Brilliant.
weren't prepared. Okay, well, she's taped up now.
Yep.
I had a napkin that helped stop the bleeding.
We'll see how far we get now.
Yeah, and here's some more
Backup band-aids.
yeah, backup band-aids.
Okay.
All right, so we're gonna go try this hike again because unfortunately, yeah, the Turtle Cove was closed.
It was a bust.
It was closed.
We'll have to come back in the summer.
Yeah, we'll just have to come back. I'm coming back. All right. Let's go see some beautiful views. Alrighty.
Yeah, that's nice.
There it is. It's right there.
Right there. That's what got me.
Right there. Look at there's still even a chunk of her
Oh my God.
skin right there on it. Leaving a piece of Katie's DNA here
In Hawaii.
in Kauai. All right, let's try this again. Oh my gosh. You can hear the water. Oh, I see some.
You see water?
I see water. I think I'm gonna go swimming.
It's amazing out here.
I'm in a jungle. I feel like Jane, in Tarzan right now. I'm barefoot walking, I'm in a dress.
It's perfect.
And, in the movie, Jane does sketch.
Oh, she does, doesn't she?
She does.
It's been a long time since I've seen it.
She's an artist. Traveling from far away. Right now, today, I am Jane.
Just watch out for wild men swinging in trees.
Well, if that's how the Lord is going to bring my future husband, I guess I'll take it. Oh, guys, look at this.
Wow.
Look at that.
The plants.
Wow. Whoa.
Yes. Yes.
Gorgeous. We're getting closer. You could hear it. Oh, wow. All right, I got it. All right, this is really soft wood. Oh, Katie. All right, I think I can cross this. Send it! Woo! Woo! One! Woo! Oh yeah! Katie, I'm next! I'm next! I'm going next! Woo! Yeah, girl! Yeah! Yeah! Woo! That was epic and so much fun. Thank you, Katie, for filming it.
Yeah.
So our plan here is we're gonna sketch this waterfall.
Sketchbook.
I'm gonna go to the other side where I did the backflip. So that way I can film across the waterfall, get some cool content. She'll do the same, vice versa. And we'll meet back up in probably about 20 minutes-ish for a sketch. All right, that's the plan. Here we go. All right, let's see how well I do. All right, over there is super slippery. So take it nice and easy. The filming will not probably be good. Sorry. I'd rather be safe. I'm gonna go down
nice and low. Because, I mean, this is so slimy and slippery on these rocks. Like, slip and slide. Alright. Stay down low, stay down low. Oh, wait. Careful, careful, Bree. Alright, there we go. We're clear. We're all clear. There's Katie. Hey, girl. Oh, Katie. Looks so good. Alright. Oh, look at this perfect little seat right there. I'm going there. I'm going to sit my tush right there. Oh, I feel like a queen. Oh. Oh. Yeah.
The sketch. It was so much fun to do. And now I'm gonna send it and do another flip down into there. And then I'll come back around and get my stuff. So let's go. So nice.
Roosters. Gotta catch me a chicken.
So beautiful.
Jane is in the jungle and still has not found her Tarzan. Well, there was this one guy, but I don't think he was single. He jumped into that
Also, I think he might have been like
Russian
or something like that.
Yeah, he was really buff. And then he said, oh, he brought his snorkeling gear because he apparently lost his Apple Watch down in that water 2 days ago. So him and his buddy and the girls that were with them were trying to find it. I'm just messing with you guys. He ain't my Tarzan.
Not quite Tarzan.
Nah, he's not my Tarzan. My Tarzan will come around somewhere, sometime, or not.
Wow, look at this vine. Like, it's just this massive vine.
My Tarzan lives up there. I found him. He's up there sleeping. I gotta just climb it.
That again.
Driving in the jungle, baby.
And she clearly crashed her car.
That's cool. All right, going through the jungle. And we made it back to our car. All right, guys, that's the end of the hike. We're gonna see if we can get some food. My stomach is growling. Maybe head to the beach. So keep you updated along the way.
There he goes. The Tarzan guy, we were just joking. He was in the blue Jeep. We met back up at the same place. I don't know if he found his watch or not. I wasn't gonna go up and ask him either. But They were so funny. So no, unfortunately, Bree did not find her Tarzan in that jungle. He's out there somewhere. I'm gonna go to Kenji Burger.
We're so hungry.
So hungry now. And last time I was here, they have these fries with delicious sauce. I think they put shoyu on it, I think. And I just saw on the menu that they have a truffle burger. I'm sold. So let's go get some burgers. So, okay, we were driving to go get some burgers, but then we found this cute little sourdough stand.
It's so cute.
It's so cute. Sourdough is a sweet spot for me, and I have not had it from Kauai. So, what they got there?
Okay, we've got everything sourdough.
Okay.
Everything.
Everything.
I think they're all everything sourdough.
Or a traditional sourdough slice.
Or slices, yeah.
What do you want? You want just a slice?
Yeah. And get a couple slices.
Sure.
These look delicious.
So cute. Oh, I gotta take a picture of that. Opening. Oh, it's so fresh.
It smells good.
Smell it. Right, cheers. So good. Gotta get it. Support local. We should leave them some stickers.
Oh, yes. Gotta get it from the backpack.
Yep, I gotta.
Be right back, guys.
Gonna get some stickers for them. Here we go.
Hopefully it fits in the box.
Bam! Solid.
So good.
Cheers. We got more of those.
That burger looks like it's gonna be so messy.
Oh yeah. There goes the egg. That's the best part. So decided you didn't want a burger?
Yeah, I mean, I wanted a burger, and then I saw the Kenji bowl, and I was like, oh, that sounds really good. So,
Fair enough.
just changed my mind.
That's all good. Just the smell of the salt water and listening to the waves crash and just having that warm sun just shine on your skin and just feel the soft and warm sand just conform to your body as you just sit down in it. It's just, it's a feeling I can't even feel like I can really describe it all. I love being here, just getting to sketch, and Kay and I were actually working on original artworks for our sponsors. And just in case if you guys haven't heard about it yet, if you would like to become a sponsor and receive exclusive art goodies that Kay and I have made here in Kauai, then click the link in the description below to find out more about that and how you can get exclusive artwork. Here's one of the originals I made for one of our sponsors. This is one that Katie has made. Here's another one, which is one of my favorites that she made. I love how the jellyfish flows with her. And then this was another one I did of a surfboard. And after doing some sketching and stuff, Kay and I just decided to chillax a bit and enjoy this sunset hour. It got to be like so golden and beautiful. I took some time to read a psalm in the Bible, and we just decided to walk down the whole beach. And come on, the gorgeous golden hour. And then Katie was so kind to catch a few fun clips of me doing some, just some acrobatic stuff, because I can't resist. I just can't. I'm sorry, it's just a thing I just gotta do a handstand here, do an aerial there, and just go walk in the water in my hands. Why not?
We're just walking along the beach here.
Calzone Hawaiian barbecue pizza. Let's dig in.
Oh my god. The dough is so fresh.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's vlog. I can't wait to see you in the next one. Much love to you. God bless and enjoy the trailer.